Exploring biblical wisdom on money, an enlightening journey. Navigating the world of personal finance can be a daunting task for many individuals. From budgeting to investing, the choices we make with our money can have a profound impact on our lives. Fortunately, the Bible offers valuable guidance and wisdom on how to manage our finances in a way that honors God and brings blessings into our lives. In this article, we will embark on a journey through biblical scriptures that provide insights and principles for navigating the complexities of money, unveiling scriptures that guide your financial path. The Bible is a treasure trove of wisdom when it comes to managing money. One such scripture is found in Proverbs 22 verse 7, which warns, "The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is slave to the lender." This powerful verse reminds us of the importance of living within our means and avoiding debt. Another scripture that guides our financial path is found in Matthew 6 verses 19 to 21, where Jesus teaches, "Do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth, where moths and vermin destroy, and where thieves break in and steal, but store up for yourselves treasures in heaven, where moths and vermin do not destroy, and where thieves do not break in and steal. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also." This passage encourages us to focus on eternal treasures rather than material wealth. Wise counsel, biblical insights on wealth management. Proverbs 13 verse 11 advises, "Dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow." This verse emphasizes the importance of honest labor and gradual accumulation of wealth, reminding us that wealth obtained through deceitful means will ultimately lead to ruin. Another valuable piece of wisdom can be found in Proverbs 21 verse 5, where it states, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as haste leads to poverty." This verse encourages us to be diligent and purposeful in our financial endeavors, emphasizing the importance of thoughtful planning and patience. The Proverbs perspective, money lessons from Solomon. King Solomon, known for his wisdom, offers invaluable insights on money management. Proverbs 10 verse 4 states, "Lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth." This verse reminds us of the importance of hard work and the value of perseverance in achieving financial success. In Proverbs 22 verse 9, Solomon advises, "The generous will themselves be blessed, for they share their food with the poor." This scripture highlights the significance of generosity and giving, showing how acts of kindness can lead to blessings in both our financial and spiritual lives. Honoring God with your finances, biblical principles. 1 Timothy 6 verses 17 to 19 provides important principles for honoring God with our finances. "Command those who are rich in this present world not to be arrogant nor to put their hope in wealth, which is so uncertain, but to put their hope in God, who richly provides us with everything for our enjoyment. Command them to do good, to be rich in good deeds, and to be generous and willing to share. In this way, they will lay up treasure for themselves as a firm foundation for the coming age, so that they may take hold of the life that is truly life." This passage reminds us that our wealth should not be a source of pride but a means to do good and bless others. Stewardship 101, Mastering Money God's Way. As good stewards of the resources entrusted to us, it is crucial to manage our money in alignment with God's principles. Proverbs 3 verses 9 to 10 instructs, "Honor the Lord with your wealth, with the first fruits of all your crops, then your barns will be filled to overflowing, and your vats will brim over with new wine." This scripture encourages us to prioritize giving to God and His work, trusting that He will provide abundantly for our needs. Avoiding the love of money, Scripture's cautionary tale. One cautionary tale regarding money can be found in 1 Timothy 6 verse 10, which warns, "For the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil." Some people, eager for money, have wandered from the faith and pierced themselves with many griefs. This powerful verse reminds us of the dangers of becoming consumed by the desire for wealth, emphasizing the importance of keeping our focus on God and His kingdom rather than material possessions. Blessings and prosperity, unlocking divine financial favor. The Bible also promises blessings and prosperity for those who follow God's principles regarding finances. Deuteronomy 28 verses 11 to 12 declares, "The Lord will grant you abundant prosperity, in the fruit of your womb, the young of your livestock and the crops of your ground, in the land He swore to your ancestors to give you. The Lord will open the heavens, the storehouse of His bounty, to send rain on your land in season and to bless all the work of your hands. This scripture assures us that by honoring God with our finances, we can expect His divine favor and provision. In our financial journey, the teachings of the Bible serve as a compass, guiding us towards wise decisions and honorable stewardship. By adopting biblical principles on money management, we can experience not only financial success but also a deeper spiritual connection with God. As we seek to honor God with our finances and live according to His wisdom, we can find true fulfillment and peace in our financial lives.